Matāfai everyone, I'm back with another episode of our Koviti series. I am here at the University of Auckland with student Raymah Matāfai, who is studying his second year of his Bachelor of Education. Talofa Raymah.
Greetings everyone, my name is Raymah Matāfai. I am 19 years of age and I am currently studying at the University of Auckland in my second year of my Bachelor's of Education.
So I know that you're chasing a 3-year degree, so how has COVID impacted your studies?
So throughout my first and halfway through my second year of my degree, I've obviously been online, so my whole degree and all my learning and lectures have been online. So I guess it's just being able to manage my time, making time to watch my lectures, meet my workshops, but also stay on top of my assignments. So I guess that's been a struggle in itself, is just managing my time and also staying on top of all my work.
Yeah, so what's a life lesson that you think you'll take away once COVID has passed and everyone gets back to their normal?
I guess I have two which kind of correspond with each other, which is to manage my time wisely and also don't procrastinate. These past 2 years I found myself procrastinating a lot with my work, not watching my lectures, but these past few weeks I've just been trying to catch up and obviously stop procrastinating. So yeah, that's my lesson, is to just stay on top of our work, manage our time wisely, and yeah, just get out of the habit of procrastinating.
And there you have it. Thank you, Raymah, for joining us. We'll be back next week with another episode of our Koviti series. Tune in.